Good evening, sir. So this is the problem. What weight is necessary to start the system of block shown? This figure below is moving to the right. The coefficient of friction is 0.10 and the pulleys are assumed to be frictionless. So from this problem we have the given weight 1 is equals to 600 and weight 2 equals to 400 and the coefficient is equals to 0.10, and lastly the angle below is 30 degrees. So let's solve and find the normal force one. So solution of y, if y is equals to 0 and assume the horizontal is going to the right, which is positive. So normal force 1 is equals to weight 1 equals to 0. So the normal force is equals to 600. Next is we need to find the tension 1. For first tension using the formula, tension 1 is equals to coefficient. Coefficient is equals to coefficient. Coefficient is equals to 0. So the tension 1 coefficient friction is equals to 0. So the 1 is equals to the coefficient at the normal force 0 times 600 is equals T1 is equals to 60. So find the friction 1, 2. Friction 1, 2. Summation of y is equals to 0. Assume the vertical is positive. So the normal force weight is cos, and F2 is equals to weight 2 cos 30. So cos to 400 cos 30 is equals to 396. 31. The friction force friction force 2 is equals to 0.10 times 396.41. Last step is finding the tension 2. So summation of x, fx is equals to 0. Tension 2 is equals to tension 1 plus weight 2 sin 30 plus friction force 2 T2 is equals to 60 plus 400 sin 3 plus 3, 4, 34.64 for the tension 2. Therefore, our tension 2 is equals to 294.64. To sum up, normal force 1 is equals to 600 and tension 1 is equals to 60 and friction force 2 is equals to 36.64 and lastly the tension 2 is equals to 294.64. That's